Hey everybody, welcome to week 4. So 3 weeks down, 2 to go. So far so good. And of course I've got the Seattle skyline here because we used to live there. So it's a nice picture, Mount Rainier back there in the background. Um, so let's jump in here. So last week, week 3, good. Most of you in there on the discussions, good job there. Same thing with the homeworks, the ones I've seen. Good, and some of you had some questions, emailed me, and I got back with you. So if you have questions or problems on any of the homeworks, just let me know. And I'll work with you and we'll get you through it. So this upcoming week, you got 2 chapters on chapter 10, and that covers sole proprietorship, partnership, types of corporations. So the thing about that is, depending on the type of company, who you work for, if you're working on your own, depending on the case, depends on how you set up things. Accountants pretty much know how to do that. I got a couple pictures here. The marvels of Google. So those of you who know more about me, after I got out of the Army, I went and worked for Domino's, and so I ran corporate-owned stores up in Seattle, and so I just did some Googling a few minutes ago, and this particular store is in, uptown Seattle. It's on a place called Capitol Hill, and that's one of the ones I built while I was there. So I mean, they just remodeled it, looked like, but so this was a brand new building they were putting up when I was there. This other one, same thing here. It's a suburb of Seattle, and this one also I helped build. So, but just spiffy to see some stuff like that. But the point I'm talking about is these are corporate-owned stores. So that was a Corporation Inc. at the time. And then at that time, the concept of the LLCs came out, the limited liability companies or corporations, and so they switched over to where they became that. And when I got to own my own stores, I got a little picture there of me and my family. Actually, I started out as a Inc. and then switched over to the LLC. And the thing about the LLC is it protects you. If you ever do get sued for something, the business is the one who gets sued, not you personally. They can't go after your house and your bank account, things like that. So that's one of the positives of doing the LLC. So, but anyway, so this chapter covers all of that. The chapter 11 covers more about the taxes, how the taxes work. What's exempt, what's not exempt. And I know during sometimes in political season you hear stuff about taxes and different things, and it is very complicated. There's a lot of stuff in there, and of course, if you're going to be in business, run a business, own your own business, do tax accounting, you have to know how all that stuff works. So you got all different types in here, and again, I can't give you a short way to learn this stuff, but I like slides. You still need to do your readings, but slides pretty much covers a lot of it there, and kind of explain it for you. So, all right. So that's chapter 10, 11. Okay, the other thing we got going, let me see here. Okay, we got the discussion. So this upcoming discussion. Oh, that's week 3. The wrong week. We're going into week 4 here, aren't we? So, and let me make sure of something here. I just want to make sure I did show you the right, oh, yep. Yeah, I just want to make sure I show you the right chapters on the presentations. But anyway, so the week 4 discussion, you got this scenario here at ABC Corporation. So you just need to kind of analyze that and talk about it. So pretty simple. The homeworks, pretty much like we've been doing. Oops. You got your questions in there, so, and like I say, all of you have been doing real good on that, so no issues there. And then the other thing, you got your quiz, but you also have the project due this week. So if you haven't been working on that, you need to find, you need to do 3, probably at least 3, yeah, 3 sources. So that you're talking about 3 articles, 3 separate places that you get the information from. Do like a 2-page, review of it, and that should do it. Times Roman 12 point double space, 2 pages. So you should be good there. All right, and then that is pretty much it. So we'll cut it short, let it go, and the only other thing, test question. So I got a trick test question picture this week, and that is that. So you just know what that is, and that way I know you watch the video. All right, everybody. Have a great upcoming week. If you need anything, get in touch with me, and take care. Bye.